So much focus, of course, centered on COVID-19. There is still another virus floating around. Some are calling it the forgotten flu. But according to the CDC, this year's flu season is still going strong. The good news here in Western Mass, it appears to be on the decline. Nationwide flu season is still here, although in Western Mass.
And we have definitely seen less cases of influenza over the past couple of weeks. In fact, I think it's actually been several days or even a week since we saw our last positive case.
Mercy Medical Center's Chief Operating Officer, Dr. Robert Roose, says that's encouraging news, especially when you consider nationally. The CDC reports so far this season, there have been over 45 million flu illnesses, as many as 46,000 deaths, of which more than 144 are pediatric. Here in the Bay State, the latest from the Department of Public Health shows all that darker blue color is high flu activity. But you can also see the lighter color blue here in the western part of the state. That means we are now at moderate activity. Dr. Roose tells Western Mass News COVID-19 is the headline, but if someone shows up with flu-like symptoms.
At this point, if somebody's presenting with those types of symptoms to the hospital, we're treating them as somebody that we are investigating to rule out the novel coronavirus or COVID.
Because symptoms are similar and include a high fever.
There are tests that can be done to investigate for both. They can be done simultaneously. So we can test for influenza, we can test for other respiratory viruses, and we can test for COVID.
More encouraging news, the DPH reports the number of positive flu tests went down 24% last week. That's compared to the week before. Well, how is the flu vaccine working so far this year? Well, so far the CDC says it's been about 45% effective.